10-year Treasury futures opened slightly higher, although well within that defined range we've been in for the past 2 months. Traders and investors alike were sifting through overnight data. The fact that Japanese PPI came out unchanged, saw a German wholesale price index increase, but not much more than consensus. That said, there was definitely some strength in global equity markets overnight. Japanese JGBs and German 10-year boons both unchanged. Gold was up, and the dollar was hitting about 2-week highs against a lot of the majors. That really did help, but really kept yields in check. As we got into the mid-session here, it was really a dataless session, but we did extend. The rally extended its range partly due to U.S. Stock market strength, at least in the early going. We did hear from Philadelphia Fed President Harker, a non-voter, but he said that supply disruptions in the supply chain really are causing all the inflation issues, and he supports QE sooner than later. Also seems to be some reports of short covering in the market ahead of a big consumption inflation week with regards to CPI tomorrow, retail sales on Thursday, and University of Michigan report Friday. Needs to be said also that 10-year break-evens continue to climb higher while real yields are still well below 1%. A prominent investment banking house came out today and did say that their customer base, the short accounts, are the highest they've been, or the greatest they've been, since mid-June. Going on to options, I look at a CME Group CVOL. Looking at October, if you look at it relative to a 1-month basis, it's trading in a 10th percentile. A 3-month basis, it's a 20th percentile. At-the-money vols in October are moderately higher. The up variance, or the call wing, is down slightly. The put wing, or down variance, is actually up slightly. Skew is to the call, so that would imply that skew is down, which it is. Actually saw some pretty big volume today in the options market, especially looking at October 134 and 133 half calls. On the put side, 132 half and 133. Lastly, the CME Micro Mini Treasury yield-based futures continue to increase in volume, seeing estimated daily volumes in the tens, over 10,000 at this point. Today's volume a little bit less than average. However, it does continue to climb, the open interest volume and liquidity.